So problem number 13.7 of chapter number 13, there are four different compounds given and we have to give the IUPAC name of the given compounds. So how to write it? So first of all, we have to convert it in the simpler form if it is given in complex form. So you can see first number is given in complex form. So what to do? This is 2CH3 different. So CH3 on first carbon mentioned here, this is hydrogen. So this is first one. Then after second, CH is given, double bond is given, then friends CH, and then CH2, then CH. Now this is given in branch, but on last carbon branch is not considered as branch. So we can continue this CH2 CH and double bond, CH2 CH and double bond, then this is CH, this is CH and CH3 and C2H5. So this type of structure we can draw of this, right? So now we have to find the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we consider linear position of carbon, it is 9 carbon. But friends, on second last carbon, there are a branch with 2 carbon. That's why it is to be considered as a chain instead of this. Then friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 carbons are there in a branch. So 10 carbons are to be in branch. Number I am giving 1, 2, 3, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. This is CH2CH. This is C2H5 can be written like this CH2 CH3. So number 9 and number 10. So in this 10 carbon is called friends deck. So for 10 carbon, actually decane, but double bond is there. That's why deck is to be written. Okay. After that, friends, we have to find which numbers having branches. So this is second carbon having one branch, as well as you can see this is eighth carbon having one branch. Friends, this is written in chain, but as here two carbons instead of one, we should take them in a chain. So our chain is like this. This is our chain, friends. This is our main chain. This is our main chain having 10 carbon. So you can see now this is one branch on second carbon and one branch on eighth carbon. What is present in branch? In branch, CH3 is present. That's why it is called methyl. So we should write 2, 8, 2 times. So we should write di. Then friends, methyl. So 2, 8, dimethyl dec. Dec means 10 carbon. Then on third carbon, double bond is present. On sixth carbon, double bond is present. So we should write either 3, 6, di-in. 3, 6. 3, 6 can be written either here or in the beginning. Before, you can also write it is 3, 6, dec, di-in. Di for 2 times, in for double bond. So total name, the complete name 2,8 dimethyl dec 3,6 diene. Dec for 10 carbon, 3,6 are the number of carbon on which double bond is present. Double bond is for 2 times. That's why di is written. So this is the name. Let's go to second number. If this type of structure is given, you just imagine the carbon on each angle and you will get the simplest name. So this is, you can see, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, and eight. Total 8 carbons are there. So it's oct for 8. Double bonds are present. That's why not octane, it is oct. Okay, on which carbons double bonds are present? On first carbon, double bond is present. On third carbon, on fifth carbon, and on seventh carbon. So 1, 3, 5, 7. So 1, 3, 5, 7. How many times? 4 times. 4 ke liye. For 4, it is tetra. And what is present 4 times? Double bond. So di-in, tetra, di-in. So the name is 1, 3, 5, 7. Oct. tetradiene. This is the name of the compound number 2. Let's go for number 3. This structure once again is to be written normally. Look at here. This is CH2 double bond C. Now, two times propyl group is present. So we should write here CH2, CH2, CH3 once. And here also CH2, CH2, CH3. So this is two propyl groups we have written, friends, in a with a one carbon. So this is on last carbon. You can see now once again we have to find the longest chain, and friends, double bond is also present. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one possibility. Another possibility 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But friends, double bond is not to be considered as a branch. So we must consider this part as a branch, as a main chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, either this one, or friends, we can write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbons are there. So 5 carbon, for 5 carbon, it is spent. This is first, second, right? On second carbon, there are two things. One thing is propyl group is present, friends. So two propyl, then pent, and on first carbon double bond is present. That's why two propyl. This is two. Either you said propyl and 3, 4, 5, or you can write the longest chain in a linear condition. Both are possible. So this is the third one. Fourth one, you can see here. It is the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is branch, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 carbon are there. That's why it is called once again deck. For deck, it is not deck N, it is deck for 10 carbon. Now, if we give the number 1, 2, 3, 4th, right, friends? This is fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is given from left side. But as we can see, if we can count from right side, this is branch and double bond. Both all these things will come to the less number of carbon. That's why this number will not be considered, friends. Instead of this, we will consider the numbering from right side 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fourth carbon. On fourth carbon, double bond is present. That's why deck 4 in is there. Only one time double bond. That's why 4 in is mentioned. Now, what is present in branches? So this is one branch, two branch. This is also considered as branch. So you can see, friends, two times methyl and one time ethyl is present in a branch. So on fourth carbon, ethyl is present. So we should write 4 ethyl. Why ethyl is mentioned first? Because we have to follow the alphabetic order. E comes first and M of methyl comes later. Okay, on second carbon, and this is third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Sixth carbon, this is a branch. So 2, 6 dimethyl. I repeat, friends, please concentrate. 4 ethyl is mentioned first, 2, 6 dimethyl is mentioned afterwards, because methyl starts from M, ethyl starts from E. As per IUPAC nomenclature rules, di is prefix. Di is used for two numbers which must not be considered as in alphabetic order. That's why M is considered and E is considered. E comes first. That's why 4 ethyl is mentioned first. 2, 6 diethyl is mentioned later. And deck for 10 carbon, friends. And this is 4 in double bond.